guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be unboxing and taking a look at this Shark cordless handvac. It is the pet model, model CH950UKT. I haven't had really much experience with Shark machines. I saw a video of this from a YouTuber in the US. A couple people done a review on it and they said it was good, so I had a look in the UK and they sell them as a UK model. I want to see how much this will differ compared to the US model, but we'll get into it anyway. So first off, we've got the instructions, then we've got kind of attachments in here. We've got the turbo brush, the charger and a crevice tool. We'll unwrap all this in a minute. Then we've got a bit of cardboard, and then we've got the machine itself. So what we'll do, we'll unwrap all this now. All quite sustainable materials that they're using, recyclable and that kind of stuff. So here's the machine itself. It's quite big, fairly light as well. I believe you empty it by pressing this button here and the dirt comes out there. I actually bought this machine to use on my stairs, as it comes with the motorised brush. We'll see if it's got any charge. So yeah, it does have some charge, and it's not the powerfulest machine, but it is still pretty powerful. So we've got that motor in there, and then we've got our filters, which I believe should come out. Yeah, here we go. We've got a sponge filter and a carbony type filter, which goes in here. I've pulled it out like an idiot. Hang on. Put all that back in there. There we go. There's the carbon type filter, and then we have the cyclone unit, which I don't know how much of this comes apart. Don't know how, if this comes apart. I'll have to have a look in the instructions, but there's the unit anyway. Put the filter back in. I believe this is more of a budget machine in Shark's range of cordless machines. It was only, I paid $49.99 for this, direct from Shark. We've got the charger. So it wasn't too expensive. I was quite surprised myself. I expected it to be a couple of £100, or even like £100, but you know, it was pretty cheap, so I thought, yeah, we'll go for it and see what it's like for just doing stairs and stuff. I've got the brush, that's quite stiff really, can't really use that for dusting. And then we've got the turbo brush. Now it'll be interesting to see if this has brushes or the rubber paddles as the US version has. And this one has brushes on it, which is different to the US one. I believe the US one has a clear window on it as well. So this just goes on there like that, and should... yeah, it works all right. So what I'll do now is we'll take this down to where my stairs are, and we'll give it a go on the stairs. So here I am on my stairs. Stairs are pretty clean, but I want to see how well this will clean them and how much stuff this will put out. So here we go. So it's pulled out a little bit of dust and dirt. Do now, just put the crevice tool on and go around the edges. again, a little bit of dust in there, but not too much. But yeah, it works all right. I will use it for a few months, and I'll give you my initial overview of it after using it for a while, and I'll let you know what it's like. But there we go, there is the Shark, what's the model number? CH950UKT handheld vacuum. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and of course, bye for now.